Hi, come in.
Hi, yes.
I'm David. What's who are you?
I'm Jay.
Jay.
Yeah.
All right.
So I got this lower back pain and it's shooting
Oh,
down.
come on. I don't want to be dealing with that. Lie down over there
But
and just...
my doctor said it's a herniation disc.
Oh, please. Everyone's got a herniation somewhere. I don't want to
Yeah.
deal with that. Look,
Plus,
lie down over there,
Plus-
face down.
plus I got that ankle sprain too a couple of weeks
Oh,
ago.
what? You
Yeah.
got all... Forget about that. I have 20 years experience.
Oh,
Lie
okay.
down, put your feet on this end, head over there.
Oh, okay. Don't trust therapists like that. Like he knows everything. You got so many issues. He asks the questions. If he's supposed to ask the questions, he's supposed to do assessment, and after he start treating you. If person gonna say, "Hey, I know everything," just lay down on the table with all those issues. Trust me, you're gonna get in trouble because you want a good therapy. You want a therapy.
You want someone to
Yeah.
know what they're doing and find out history. They need to know everything.
Everything. But this, hey, lay down, just get your pens off and lay down, we'll take care of you. This is not going to work. Be careful with those places.